Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video. And in today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to upload an HTML file to Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in which you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where you can see your dashboard under which we can find the websites we want to edit. So what we want to do is find our website that we want to upload HTML to. So I'm going to open it up by clicking on it right here. This is going to open up in this preview mode where, as you can see, we can find all the options we can access right here. As you can see my website, the settings, products, content, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to upload an HTML file. So this is what we want to do. Go ahead and click the edit button right here at the top of the screen. Well, after clicking the edit button, it's going to open up your website in edit mode where you can see we can edit our site header, our site footer, and so on. And this is our main section where you can upload the HTML. So what we want to do guys is click the add block option right here. After you click on add block, this is now going to enable us to add a new form of block. So what we want to do guys is to go ahead and find this code option right here. So as you can see guys, when you search for HTML directly, it's going to give you an option to enter in embed code or code. So you want to open up code, and after doing so guys, you want to edit that code. So what you want to do is double click on it. As you can see, now it can go ahead and select us what kind of code we want to add, HTML, it's CSS, it doesn't matter. You can select HTML, and now you can see here is where you can upload your code and edit your website. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.